Hey YouTube, what's up? I was just here thinking, bro. I went on an interview today, bro, for washing dishes, right? It's a dishwasher position, bro. And it's like I get interviewed by three different individuals, bro. Three different individuals for washing dishes. That's have me thinking, bro, like, what? Doesn't make any sense, man. The feedback I get from from the two first persons was cool. And the second person was like, hey, if this third person like you, you don't have to see the fourth person. You know? So the third person was a lady. She you know. All the conversation was, you know, it's alright. Yeah, then she says like, hey, in the next week we're gonna make you meet the fourth person. But the feedback I'm getting from her is just like, I'm cooked. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, sort of, just, just wanted to, you know, yeah.